Hello everyone, this is Sushma Yadav, Social Science Educator from Gajra International School, Katargam. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Motions of the Earth from Geography Chapter 3, Grade 6. So let us start the session. Motions of the Earth. Before starting this session, I would like to discuss a fact about in ancient time when the people had always observed the motion of the sun, the moon, and the other heavenly body in the sky. They strongly believed that Earth was stable and other heavenly bodies revolves around the Earth. But in 16th century, there was an astronomer who told us the very first time actually Earth just appeared to be stationary. But exactly what happened? Earth rotates on, spins on its axis as well as it revolves around the sun. So let us start with the topic motions of the Earth. As we all know that Earth has two types of motion. First one is rotation and the next one is revolution. Let us see one by one. Rotation. When the Earth spins on its axis, this motion of the Earth is known as rotation. The Earth takes 24 hours to take one rotation. Because the circumference of the Earth is 40,000 kilometers. So, to complete or cover this distance, Earth taken 24 hours. That is why it is also known as the daily motion of the Earth. In this, the axis is tilted on the 66.5 degree. This is known as the inclination of the axis. Let us see the effect of the rotation. It causes day and night. Rotation causes, it feels us to all the heavenly bodies in the sky, moves from east to west. It causes high and low tides in the oceans. Let us see the most important effect of day and night. Rotation causes day and night. How it is happen? Just due to spherical shape of the earth. Only half of the portion is able to receive the sunlight, and this region experiences the daytime, and the other half, which one is darkened or not able to receive the sunlight, experiences the night. There is a circle between the day and night time on the earth, and this circle is known as circle of illumination. This is divided into the earth between day and night time. Now the second motion of the earth, revolution. While rotating on its axis, the earth also revolves around the earth. This type of motion of the earth is known as revolution. Revolution takes place, it takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 56 seconds to complete one rotation. That is why it is said that the annual motion of the earth. The effect of the revolution on the earth. Actually, the revolution causes season changing. This is the reason behind the season changing. Why it happens? Just because of the path, orbit of the revolution of the earth around the sun. The orbit, shape of this orbit is elliptical. This is the main reason for changing the season. Let us see. The revolution of the earth around the sun. Second cause, the tilt of the earth axis of the rotation respect to the plane of the elliptical, and the last, the tilt of the earth axis remain constant. So the main four characteristic position of the earth: summer and winter solstices and spring and autumn equinoxes, the season of the year. Solstice, when one of 2 days in the year when the sun is at its highest and lowest point in the sky at noon 12 p.m. Equinox, one of 2 days in the year when day and night are the same length of time. Summer solstice mark the beginning of the summer on June 21st, 22nd. June 21st is the longest day. When it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it will be winter in the southern hemisphere, and the sun is directly over the Tropic of Cancer. Winter solstice mark the beginning of the winter on December 21st, 22nd December. 21 is the northern hemisphere. It will be summer in the southern hemisphere, and the sun is directly over the Tropic of Capricorn. Spring equinox mark the beginning of the spring on March 21st. When it is spring in the northern hemisphere, it will be autumn in the southern hemisphere, and the sun is directly over the equator. Autumn equinox mark the beginning of the autumn on September 22nd and 23rd. When it is autumn in the northern hemisphere, it will be spring in the southern hemisphere, and the sun is directly over the equator. So we can understand with this picture here the four main characteristic position of the earth, which is responsible for the summer and winter solstice and the spring and autumn equinoxes. So this is all about, in very short, about the motions of the earth. Thank you so much.